Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration of the Landis Model 1R Universal Cylindrical Grinder. We're going to do tail stock. This has a swing down ID attachment. Also has a chuck mounted on the headstock here, a magnetic chuck about 8 inches. The headstock can swivel, and the wheel head also has a built-in lower swivel area here. So that makes this a universal machine. The hydraulics are inside, the coolant system is outside, and we're going to start the machine. We have an automatic cycle. In other words, the grinding wheel is going to come in. We're going to start our in-feed. This is a plunge grinding cycle. We're going to get down to the 0, stop, we're going to dwell or spark out, and it kicks out. Fully automatic, you have this lever here, and we actually can control the work head. So with this one lever, we'll come in, we'll start our work turning, and our in-feed. In-feed is adjusted here, the speed. Spark out time is adjusted here. So that's the plunge grinding mode. There's also a traverse grinding mode. And when you want traverse, you select over here, let's say left and right for left and right in-feeding. So here we can start a table movement. This lever here starts and stops the table and stops the headstock. First position you have the headstock, second you have both. This lever here, in this position, each time we reverse here, we see we have an in-feed at the top. That'll feed on down to 0, and again the timer will come on, and at a certain point the cycle will kick out.